Hello, I'm going to talk about today's health fact. Practice proper cough and flu etiquette is essential to prevent the spread of illnesses. Here are key guidelines to follow. Cover your mouth and nose using tissue or mask or using your elbow to cover when sneezing or coughing, not your hands. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially after coughing and sneezing or using alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Stay home when ill experiencing symptoms of a cold or flu to prevent it from spreading, and avoid touching your face as germs can enter the body this way. By adhering to these practices, you contribute to a healthier environment and help to prevent the spread of illnesses. Follow us for more info.